Let's see. This. Hi, boys and girls. Uncle Alan's still alive. Yeah, Uncle Alan's alive. Even with that white truck from YouTube following his car. Uncle Alan didn't drive, his family did. And it was kind of weird that YouTube's white van was following Uncle Al. Oh, hi, boys and girls. This is your old pal, Uncle Al. Uh, I'm alive. My face is now less swollen. I've been vomiting and in pain, but I'm here. I'm still alive. Of course, I can't see you guys too clear, and even with my glasses right now, I still can't see you too well. I am alive, and it was fine. The robot did its job. It surgically removed the crud out of my eye. My face will up a bit, but I'm fine. Thank you for all the new people that joined up. I'm Uncle Al. I got less than, I think, 1,007 videos I got to do, and Uncle Alan got to leave. The bad guys are winning. And remember, kids, 8 months left. Ugh, Uncle Alan doesn't feel too hot, but I gotta get this out. Welcome aboard, Funny Cat, I think, and then Palmetto Preparedness. I'm going to try to binge watch your channel today. Doctor says I shouldn't be moving around too much or get stressed. And I got to update my notes, so I'm a little tired and vomiting. It's wonderful. Wake up in the morning and run to the bathroom and vomit, then pee, and then vomit again. So I didn't take any of my insulin last night. So reason why you don't want to take insulin while you're vomiting. There's side effects to that. So I'm okay. My insulin level, my sugar levels are correct. A little high, but correct. I always enjoy throwing up water or breakfast juice or coffee. Puking out your guts. Now, thank you, folks, for checking out Cheryl Hirsch DUI Fun. Cheryl got up to about 39. If some more people join and sign up with her channel, Cheryl's a arts and craft person. I think lives in a trailer. That's cool. Grandma used to live in a mobile home until I had the Wizard Aspect and it killed my, I think it was number 5 girlfriend. You don't want ever that to happen. I survived, she didn't. Uncommon survived a lot of things. Anyway, I'm going to keep this short. Like I said, it takes a lot of things to kill Uncle Alan. A little surgery, a little face swollen and vomiting, and I'm still alive. I'm still here. I don't feel so hot, but hey, I'm not driving today. My family is, so I'm pretty happy. Just be careful. I'm going to try to put out some videos. Part 2 of Cheryl Hirsch DUI Fun about the Arts and Crafts Store. Reason why the Arts and Crafts Store? Because if you live in a socialist country, they never expect you to develop prepper stuff or survivalist stuff from the arts and crafts shop. I don't know where LA Prepper buys his art and craft supplies. He said it's too expensive. That means he went to a small shop, not a big box store, and he doesn't know what he's doing. Remember, this guy is engineering rockets. Yeah, I don't know what LA Prepper is doing. But like me, if you tell your friends to join up and help support Uncle Al, it would be greatly appreciated. I need about 300 more people so I could hit the 1,000, so I could do, I think, live stream. Because a lot of people ask me to go on their live stream, but Uncle, if you kind of notice, Uncle Alan's working off a really old computer and a really bad camera. Also, Uncle Alan's a little blind at this time and a little ill. So just keep an eye out. I'm supposed to do a video on sleeper cells that NBC and CNN and the FBI kind of forgot. And they say, oh, there's no sleeper cells in America. Yeah, and I'm the next bloody lotto winner. If there's not a sleeper cell in the United States, I counted, I think, 12 states that have sleeper cells. A lot of people don't know what a sleeper cell is. That's a foreign power, got a group of people quietly living their lives as Americans. Could be your neighbors, could be your family, could be your friends. All of a sudden, we're enemy soldiers from another land. Put that in your pipe and smoke it. I have so little time and I got to save America with a plastic dinosaur. A can of hash, remember hash is for me, or corned beef, or spam, or tuna. Please check out Let's Talk About Prepping with Tyler. If you run out of ideas, Tyler, you can always check back um, my playlist. I have a bunch of playlists I got to finish up and correct. Food and cooking is always a good playlist to check out for new ideas. Those are also for anybody else who need new ideas. I do use my own videos and I use other people's videos that I like. It's basically a library, kids. Yeah, I'm trying to barely see if I'm working. Okay, Uncle's a little tired, and I got a doctor's appointment at 9 o'clock so they can check what's going on with my eye. My face isn't swollen anymore, and I'm not purple. Yay! So I'll catch you later, kids. This is your old pal, Uncle Al. And Dino, the dinosaur. We gotta save America. Yeah, and I gotta fight against 143 million. I don't know. They're not American. They're have no idea what they are. And don't forget, uh, my friend Will Russell. Tomorrow is Saturday. Please stop by. Just in Time Prepping's live stream. All you new preppers and black preppers and Mexican preppers and everybody else who's a prepper or survivalist, please stop on by. Okay? I hope you can read that because I can't, and I hope it isn't something weird. And I'll go back, check out a few things. Now, black preppers, my friends keep telling me they're hiding Uncle Al. I said, no, there's no black preppers except for Canadian Prepper and DieCat and a few other people. Uncle Alan's tired, and Uncle Alan's pissed, and Uncle Alan hurts like hell. I feel something in my head, but I can't tell. Anyway, I'll go see the doctor today. So I'll catch you later, folks. Some shout outs. Prep for it. Let's talk about prepping. Reverend Christine. Is there a big arrow on my head? Uncle Alan's vision's not that good. I don't know. Oh, I'm tired. They just set me up with the robot, so I think everything's okay. Except for the vomiting and the face turned purple and swollen up. I'm fine. Strap me in, clean it out, pop back in the eyeball. Okay. All right, kids. Catch you later.